If you need to recover your Venmo account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Venmo website or app. Go to the Venmo website or open the Venmo app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to start the recovery process. Step 3. Add to your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Venmo account. This is important as Venmo will use it to send you recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Venmo with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link in the email and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have created a new password, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Venmo's customer support for further assistance.